Question number 1.
Emily couldn't decide whether to go out or stay and read her book. A. Inside B. In C. Home.
Question number 2.
Mateo has been working here more than 5 years. A. Since B. For C. From.
Question number 3.
If David harder, he might have passed the driving test. A studied B, had studied C studies.
Question number 4.
Aya insisted that Kenji arrive early for the Tokyo meeting. A arrives B, arrives C, arrived.
Question number 5.
Chloe finally got the disappointment of losing the game. A over B through C across.
Question number 6.
The manager was pleased the results of the project. A by B with C at.
Question number 7.
Rarely such a talented singer from Cape Town. A. Have we heard? B. We heard. C. Did we hear?
Question number 8.
Javier was looking forward to his cousins in Rio de Janeiro. A. See B. Seeing CC. Seen.
Question number 9.
Neither the movie nor the snacks good. A was B, were C is.
Question number 10.
Liam said he will call you once he reached Sydney. A will be, would see, shall.
Question number 11.
The teacher suggested that everyone quietly. A. Works. B. Work. C. Worked.
Question number 12.
Not until midnight, Emily realized she had left her keys at the cafe. A. She did. B. Did she? C. Had she?
Question number 13.
Zola succeeded opening her own art gallery in Cape Town. A. To B. On. C. In C. Director.
Question number 14.
Mateo was capable solving the puzzle on his own. A in B of C, 2.
Question number 15.
Had Kenji known about the meeting, he would have attended. A, will be, would see, should.
Question number 16.
David promised to look his little brother while their parents were away. A after B for C into.
Question number 17.
The committee divided on the issue of remote work. A was B, were C, have.
Question number 18.
Emily denied the document before it was sent. A to read, B, reading, C, read.
Question number 19.
No sooner the show start than the power went out. A had B, did C, has.
Question number 20.
Sophia congratulated Matteo his promotion in London. A for B on C about.
Question number 21.
If I you, I would take that offer immediately. A were B was C-E. Aim.
Question number 22.
The children, along with their parents, invited to the celebration. A is B, our C was.
Question number 23.
Javier asked if I seen the new restaurant near the beach. A had B have C was.
Question number 24.
Aya said she traveled to Mumbai next month. A will be, would, C, shall.
Question number 25.
Hardly. I entered the room when the phone rang. A had B have C did.
Question number 26.
The students are tired studying all night for the exams. A of B with C from.
Question number 27.
Liam agreed to help Chloe with her presentation. A to B in C for.
Question number 28.
Matteo couldn't put his vacation any longer. A off B on C away.
Question number 29.
The manager demanded that everyone present at 9 a.m. sharp. A is B, B, C, was.
Question number 30.
A number of people waiting outside the Toronto Theatre. A was B, R, C is.
Question number 31.
Never before such beautiful architecture in Rome. A, we have seen. B, have we seen. C, had we seen.
Question number 32.
Chloe was accused breaking the window during practice. A of B for C about.
Question number 33.
Emily said she finished her report already. A had B has C have.
Question number 34.
Kenji is responsible organizing the team lunch. A to B for C on.
Question number 35.
Little Liam know how important that decision would become. A, he did. B, did he see, was he.
Question number 36.
Sophia was interested learning how to paint. A at B about C in färdighetsträning.
Question number 37.
The coach requested that every player focus on discipline. A is B, BC was.
Question number 38.
Not only the tickets sold out, but also the venue was full. A where B was C have.
Question number 39.
If Zola about the delay, she would have come earlier. A knows B, knew C had known.
Question number 40.
The majority of the population aware of the environmental crisis. A is B, are C were.
Question number 41.
Mateo admitted the mistake and apologized. A to make B, making C made.
Question number 42.
Aya prefers coffee tea in the morning. A, then B to C, over then.
Question number 43.
Seldom people appreciate the quiet beauty of early mornings in Sydney. A, do B, did C have?
Question number 44.
Emily reminded David bring his passport for the trip. A, to B for C of?
Question number 45.
The car, along with the bikes, parked near the station. A was B, were C, are.
Question number 46.
Javier was tired listening to the same excuses. A, of B, with C, from. Javier was tired listening to the same excuses. A, of B, with C, from.
Question number 47.
Kenji said that he's seen that movie twice before. A, had B, has C, have?
Question number 48.
If the weather better tomorrow, we'll go hiking. A is B, was C, were.
Question number 49.
Not once I forget the kindness of my friends in Toronto. A, will be, did CC, have?
Question number 50.
Chloe can't help whenever she hears that song. A, to dance. B, dancing. C, dance.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.